Hi everyone, my name is Mubashir Hussain and you are watching me on the YouTube channel SHEENmeem. Today we will be discussing GoHighLevel text element in funnel builder. So we will create something like this using our text element. So I have created a row, one column, and let me place it here, and I clone it. And this is our text element: heading, subheading, paragraph, and bullet list. First of all, I take headline and copy the text from here, Ctrl plus C, paste, Ctrl Shift plus V, align it left. What is its font size? Open sans 52. So I change its font from custom font, default font, and open sans, and changing it in desktop 52. Now I have to make its style italic and change its color. First of all, I select it and make it italic, and in the color section I can select this color. So I have created this text, and now I have to create these two text. For this purpose, I again create a two column row and add a subheading in it, copy and paste, Ctrl Shift plus V, and add its icon. For this purpose, I select on icon, search, magic, and here it is added. To change its color, I can select this color and I align it to left. Don't forget to add its left and right padding. Left and right padding is very helpful in the mobile view. So next I copy this text and add a paragraph. Just paste it, align it to left, and adding left and right padding. Let's check its font size. It's 14 and Lato. Its font was 23, so by default it was added. Okay. So as you can see, these texts are very close to each other. So I have to add some top and bottom padding in both text. One column is ready. Now what I will do is I will clone this column and delete this column. Work smart. So copy and just paste here. Copy and just paste here. So I will not have to resize it, add its padding or anything. Changing its icon, laptop, it's added. This was our text element. In the next video, we will discuss our next element, which is button, and furthermore, we will discuss form, blogs, and ongoing. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you do not miss any updates. Thank you.